Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a wig review. This is a loose deep wave long natural human hair lace front. It was 150 density. It was a 13x4 lace, and this also was 16 inches. Guys, this is from a company called Nadula hair. This was my first time ever purchasing from them, and I truly did enjoy this hair. So first I'm going to be taking this brown lace tint to spray in the areas obviously where I'm going to be having my part at. So now you're going to take the wig and put it on your head so you can line it up so you know where you need to cut the lace from. And me, guys, this is my probably third time putting on wigs, so I'm still learning as I go. I watch professional videos, so I am not a professional, FYI, but this is just what I do to save money and get out of the habit of always having my natural hair, because I normally for the most part have short hair because I like short hair, but I want to try to go out my comfort zone and start wearing wigs. So basically I'm just lining the lace up and I'm going to adjust it to where I want to cut so I can have this wig be slaying. You feel me?
See what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? Whoa. Yeah. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you.
So I watched the video, and what I saw that was best was to just cut it into 3 different sections. Just do it in sections rather than just going in trying to glue the whole thing. That was my mistake previously, and I stopped doing that because it did not come out the way that I liked. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting into 3 different sections. I'm going to do the middle section first and then do the side tabs. I'm also using this glue by, she is a professional hairstylist. She also has a channel here on YouTube called I Am Erica J, and the Erica is ERIKA. So this is her adhesive that I ordered from her website. So I'll also put that link in the description as well. Guys, this stuff works so good. So support a fellow sister, and you know, she's doing her thing. She has a lot of other stuff on there as well, so I recommend that you guys go ahead and order from her. So now I'm just blow drying, you guys, and this glue, once it turns clear, that's when you know that it's ready for you to put the hair down.
I got one lawyer, got one in that dance, the only 2, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been walking, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posted this side.
So as you can see, a majority of the glue is clear. So I'm going to take that down and pull it a little bit past my hairline. I'm also going to use the side of my rat tail comb just to press it in there to make sure that it stays down.
I put a skirt on a whip and a crown on a 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They want to know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
So guys, I didn't film me doing my sides because it was the same as the middle. So now I'm just using the comb to define my part even more in the middle. And then next I'm going to be using a wax stick to make sure all the little flyaways and everything stays down.
Giving your chain away, that's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you?
So here I'm just going to add a little bit of foam to the hair. I'm using it on the edges before I cut the lace. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, I still have the lace on. So I'm using that on the edges because I'm going to tie it with a silk wrap.
A road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that dance, the only 2, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
So I just left that on for about 15-20 minutes, and as you guys can see, this is the end result. It's laid down pretty nice. So now I'm just going to take some clips and clip the hair back before I cut off the lace. So I'm just using an eyebrow razor to cut the lace off. I noticed that it's easier than using a pair of scissors for me, but you can use whatever your preference is. So I'm just lightly taking my time. Me personally, I cut a little bit lower than what I want just to make sure I don't make any mistakes. And then if I want it up higher, like more off, I'll go and do that later.
Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? Hey. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Yeah. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the...
So guys, this is how it's looking so far. It looks great, but I want to make sure it looks even more melted. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and just hit the front of it, like the edges. But guys, this hair was already laid pretty good. So far, this quality is really, really bomb.
All I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next.
So guys, I went out and I bought a crimper from Bedhead. I just bought it at my local Target. I wanted to crimp the hair since this is natural body wave, loose body wave. So I just went in with the hair crimp. Before that, I used Silk Elements. It's like a coconut. It's kind of like a glosser, guys, so the hair could look shiny because I like shiny hair. So I just used that all over in places before I crimped it. And guys, it looked great. So now I'm going to crimp my hair. I'm just taking a small section. Guys, I'm only going to show you 1 or 2 sections because it's repetitive. First, I'm going to spray on some hard spray, which is by the brand Suave. It did its due diligence because, guys, it lasted a long time because I was doing my hair actually for my mother's 60th birthday party. This was on August 27th. My mother's birthday is actually the 28th, but we had her party on the 27th. So I'm just right now crimping it, and guys, it really did do a good job of holding up because we were partying all night and my hair did not move at all.
They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? Hey, whoa. Hey, hey, yeah. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement, man? How many nights I've been woke?
Hey guys, this is how it looks after I crimped the whole hair. Guys, this hair quality really is bomb. I'm definitely going to order something again. But this is how it's looking so far. It lasted me all night, guys, because I was partying all night at my mom's party. So it really did a good job so far. So yes, I'm loving it. It's shiny. It's 16 inches. And I'm going to show you guys a couple more things I do before I'm finished. And this is how it's looking so far. So to now make my part in the middle more defined, I'm just going to use some concealer. This is from LA Girl Cosmetics. It's in the shade Fawn. And I'm just going to use this to lighten up to make my part more defined. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I got one lawyer, got one in that dance, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been walking, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posted inside home, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easier handed it off, I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot one. So now I'm going to take my foam again, and I'm going to use that to make it. Basically what it does, I notice, is that the foam helps it to just stay in the middle. It takes it off the actual hair. So it really did help to define it. So that's all I'm doing, is just adding a little bit of foam. And now you can see it's just in the middle part section. So that was a good tip and trick that I seen some professionals using. We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. Well, okay guys, this is the final look. I'm just spraying a little bit more hair shine in there to make the hair more shiny. But other than that, guys, I did love this hair. It held its curl. This is really good quality, guys. As I said before, I've never ordered from them before, and I definitely will be ordering again. And their shipping was fast. I did not know they were located in Southern California. I live in Northern California. I ordered it and it came like literally in 3 days. So they have really good delivery service, and it was fast and convenient. So I really did appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.